Hello, in this moment I will develop the task form of the English Level 2. First of all, I introduce to myself. After that, I talk about my experience in Bogota, DC. Then I will tell about the weather in Bogota, DC. And to finish, I'll give you some tips if you travel to Bogota, DC. Let's start. My name is Andre Felipe Silva Torres. I am 19 years old and I am an electronic engineering student at UNAD. I am single and I was born in Garzón Huila, but I live in Tarqui Huila. My family is made up from my father, my mom, my sister, and my brother. We are a united family. About my personality, I am serious, responsible, and supportive. I like play guitar, play football, and watch movies. I dislike disorder and loneliness. Now, let's continue with my trip experience in Bogota, DC. The last vacation, I went to Bogota, DC. I stayed there for a week and I went with my parents, my brother, and my sister. I liked it because it was cheap. I just paid 400,000 pesos. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the Monserrate and I liked it a lot. I came back 3 months ago because I started studying. The weather in Bogota is often cold, but sometimes it's cloudy and in the morning and sunny at noon. In this moment, I want to give you some tips if you travel to Bogota, DC. It's recommended that you wear umbrella. It's important that you wear warm clothing. It's good idea that you visit amusement parks. It's recommended that you taste typical foods like the ajiaco. It's good idea that you visit the different museums of the city. It's good idea that you visit the Monserrate Hill. It's recommended that you visit the Maloca Theme Park so you can learn about science and technology. It's important that you visit the Botanical Garden of Bogota, José Celestino Mutis, so you can enjoy the natural variety of the region. It's recommended that you visit the Colón Theater and know its history. It's a good idea that you visit the planetarium so you can enjoy different astronomical exhibitions. What you should do? You should take a ride on the Sabana train. Its route includes the municipalities of Usaquén, La Caro, Alcajicá, and Zipaquirá. It is an unforgettable experience. You should not spend too much money in taxis. Walk or take alternative transport such as bike paths if the place you are going is too far. Okay, this all. Bye.